Introducing Ageless Knees, the innovative solution that challenges time and restores vitality to your knees. Our advanced formula combines clinically tested ingredients to combat joint pain, inflammation, and degeneration, delivering proven and long-lasting results. Say goodbye to limitations. Eliminate pain and discomfort. Ageless Knees acts directly on the source of pain, blocking inflammatory signals and promoting tissue regeneration. Regain flexibility and range of motion. Feel free to perform all the activities you love without fear of crashes or stiffness. Strengthen cartilage and prevent joint wear. Protect your knees from aging and prevent the development of degenerative diseases such as arthritis. Increase your quality of life. Enjoy more freedom, vitality, and well-being in your daily life. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety, I left in the description of this video the official link where you can enjoy a special offer from the producer. Remembering that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do. Benefits: fight pain and inflammation. Natural ingredients like turmeric and boswellia fight inflammation and reduce pain effectively and safely. Fast and lasting action that allows you to return to the activities you love without worrying about knee pain. 2. Rebuild cartilage and strengthen joints. Bioactive collagen peptides stimulate the natural production of collagen, repairing damaged cartilage and strengthening joints. Hyaluronic acid lubricates the joints, providing greater fluidity and flexibility of movement. 3. Protect against wear and injury. Powerful antioxidants fight free radicals, protecting joints from natural wear and tear and preventing further injury. Strengthening of muscles and ligaments that stabilize the knee and reduce the risk of recurrences. 4. Proven results and guaranteed safety. Clinical studies demonstrate the effectiveness of Ageless Knees in reducing pain and improving joint function. High-quality ingredients and free of side effects, so you can feel safe and confident when using the product. Ageless Knees. More than a simple supplement, a complete solution for the health of your knees. Visible and lasting results. Restore your mobility and quality of life. Your life without limits. Go back to doing the things you love without worrying about joint pain. Try Ageless Knees today and discover the freedom to move painlessly. Special launch offer. Exclusive discount for first buyers. Satisfaction guarantee. Try the product for 30 days, and if not satisfied, get your money back. Take the first step towards a life free of pain and with more vitality. Visit our website now and learn more about Ageless Knees. Remember, consult a doctor before starting any treatment. Ageless Knees is a dietary supplement and does not replace medical monitoring. Warranty. The product offers 100% warranty for your customers of 60 days to return the product. If you are not fully satisfied with the product within 60 days, just contact us at or call the toll-free number. Full refund of the product within 48 hours of return. No questions and questions as to why. Hey guys, like the video? If you liked the content, be sure to give that join hut in the video and subscribe to the channel not to miss the next videos. Activate the notification bell to receive a warning whenever a new video is published. Leave your comment below and tell me what you think of the video. Your opinion is very important to me. Share this video with your friends who may also be interested in the content. Thank you for watching.